Assalamu alaikum class 2, how are you all? I'm your teacher Miss Mahin and it is your literature class, okay? So class 2, you know that we have started the chapter The Tale of Two Mice, right? We have done the book work and the chapter explanation. Now it is time for the copy work. But before starting the copy work, I want to ask you something, that why you people are not making the index in the copies. I have checked your English copies and language copies and literature as well. You are not making indexes. Kindly complete your indexes and then send the copies to check, okay? Now, before starting the chapter copy work, you need to make a title page of The Tale of Two Mice. You know that, and then do one page writing of that chapter, okay? And then you will start this copy work, okay? What is the copy work? First, we have first copy work as difficult words, right? And what are the difficult words? Number 1, served. Number 2, country, town, delicious, bread, visited, chased, mice, peas and corn. Okay, these are your difficult words. Okay, now the next word we have words meaning. Words meanings are ear of corn, in peas, delicious. You will search these meanings from the dictionary you have, okay? And the sentences are visit, chase and peace, okay? I have a lot of space here, that is why I wrote both the things in the same page, but you will do it in the different pages, okay? First page you will do words meaning, and then from next page you will do word sentences, okay? Now short question and answer, okay? These are the short question and answer. Question number 1, what did town mouse give country mouse to eat? Okay, what did town mouse give country mouse to eat? Question number 2, which meal did the mice have in the country? Okay, who chased the mice? Did town mouse think his food was better than country mouse's food? Question number 5, which word in the passage means give someone food to eat? Okay, you will read the chapter, so you will know which word is this. Okay, there is a word which means give someone food to eat. Okay, now these are the long questions. What are the long questions? Question number 1, why does the country mouse think it is better to live in the country? Question number 2, why does eat like a king means? What does eat like a king means? Okay, eat like a king, what do you think it is meaning? What is the meaning of this phrase? I think eat like a king, how a king eats. A king can eat anything he wants, and a king has many things on the table. So you will think about it, how a king eat, and then you will write the answer. Now last one is exercise E. You will do this exercise from your book on page number 69. This is the exercise E. With a partner, act half of one the story, talk about the food on the table, and have a conversation about what is good and what is bad about living the town and the country. You can start the following line. Hello, I am so glad you could come. Do you have a good journey? So you will write a dialogue. You will write dialogues. Okay, you can write like, two friends like Aisha and Sarah. Okay, now Aisha was saying that, hello, I am so glad you could come. Okay, now what Sarah will answer, then you will create dialogues about the good and bad things about living in the town and living in the country. One friend will talk about the good things of the town, and one friend will talk about the things which are good in the country. Okay, so you can take help from your mother or your parents, okay, for doing this work, right? I hope you understand your copy work very well. I will meet you next time with another video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.